Televisions are beginning to become the new standard, and according to some estimates, by 2030, sales of electric vehicles in the U.S. may account for 40% of all passenger car sales. Similar projections indicate that China's EV sales will nearly double. French, the UK, and Germany in the spring of 2020, when the survey was conducted in March 2021, 34 out of 51 respondents said they would be interested to purchase an electric car. A number of automakers have already introduced electric car models to the market, with Tesla being a significant player. What makes investing in Tesla in 2023 worthwhile, though, given the abundance of electric vehicle firms presently operating and those that will emerge? Hi everyone, happy to be back at Tesla tomorrow. Charlie Munger, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, recently praised Tesla, describing it as an incredible achievement in the U.S. auto sector. As per the comic, he expressed amazement at Tesla's impressive performance, underscoring the automaker's resolute position in the electric vehicle industry. Elon Musk, CEO, has accomplished several admirable things that others can do, and Tesla has made some significant contributions to humanity. He went on to say that it has been a while since there has been a profitable new automobile firm, calling Tesla's impact on the automotive sector a small miracle. Tesla differs from other EV manufacturers in that it approaches things differently and is a tech firm in addition to an automobile manufacturer. In order to ensure that you don't miss out on any upcoming exciting developments, we will discuss the reasons why you should invest in Tesla in this video. Before we begin, please remember to use the like button if you enjoy this kind of stuff. To ensure you don't miss any updates on Tesla, subscribe and enable the post notification bell. Expanding its production capacity is an intriguing spark that could propel Tesla towards its goal of being the world's most successful automobile company. In addition to growing output at its factories and aiming to construct new facilities in the future, the automaker intends to acquire its 4680 cells. In order to meet its target of producing over 20 million EVs annually by 2030, Tesla plans to expand its global factory base. Elon Musk has hinted that Tesla may need to construct an additional 10 or 12 gigabyte trees in order to meet this target. Similar to its Shanghai plant, Tesla has been utilizing automation to boost productivity at its Vermont manufacturing. However, the electric vehicle manufacturer claims that it is already planning to construct other factories in Mexico in order to establish a new plant. In addition to retaining its position as the industry leader in electric vehicles and growing its market share, Tesla has been able to lower the cost of manufacturing these vehicles. Although the manufacturer has already lowered the price of its Model Y batteries by up to $3,000, Tesla already plans to lower the cost of producing its EVs. Tesla still plans to use a dry coat process for its 4680 cells in order to further reduce costs. Although some analysts have said that Tesla is having some trouble doing this, the company still has a good chance of hitting that milestone. Tesla has made notable progress on his objectives as well. The future appears to be bright for driverless vehicles in terms of autonomous driving, and Tesla stands to gain a great deal from this. According to research, there will be about 8 million automated or self-driving cars on the road by 2025, and by 2035, autonomous driving may bring in $400 billion in revenue. According to Wall Street analysis, the market for EVs is already expanding and is predicted to do so considerably more in the future. Faragou Pierre, given the growing popularity of electric vehicles, market shares for Tesla and its rivals may depend on their capacity to boost production levels in addition to the rising demand for Tesla vehicles. Similarly, the CEO of investment management and Gerber Kawasaki Wells, although he noted that it is important to consider the investment risk even when it is a business that is as promising as EVs, Ross Gerber has stated that investing in electric vehicles and Tesla could potentially be the most significant investment scheme in the next 10 years. The Tesla boss have stated that investing in the EV theme is one of their main priorities for the upcoming year. This is just for regular electric vehicles, so imagine what the future could hold for autonomous EVs. There is no denying that Tesla has become one of the most valuable corporations in the world, even though electric vehicles are sweeping the world by storm and practically everyone wants a piece of this action. As of January of last year, Tesla had a market valuation of more than $600 billion. Since 2009, the company has produced 1.91 million cars. Additionally, they produced 386,759 automobiles in just the first 2 quarters of 2022, and they supplied nearly the same quantity as 343,000 automobiles in the third quarter of the previous year. Moreover, EVs, it's significant that Tesla is now getting into the energy storage market. the automaker might be investing heavily in solar and renewable energy. The market rates Tesla's solar panels highly, in part because of their low cost. The automaker can then further increase its revenue and profit margins in 2023. It is anticipated that Tesla will open new factories for its solar business and launch new products as well. However, it is important to take into consideration the possibility that Musk will sell Tesla shares again. According to reports, Tesla is rated as one of the largest solar installers in the United States. This is just one of the many possible markets that the company can potentially sell its solar panels to. Following the sale of about $40 billion worth of Tesla stock in the previous year, which sent the share price plummeting to a two-year low in April, the CEO of Tesla recently announced that he would not be selling any more shares for at least 18 months. In the past year, the billionaire CEO has sold off around $40 billion worth of stock, mostly to finance his acquisition of Twitter in October. Inflation, interest rates, and other reasons, together with Musk's sell-off. Concerns regarding his leadership of Twitter caused Tesla shares to plummet by nearly two-thirds in a year. In addition to helping the electric car manufacturer make money, Tesla Superchargers produce electricity from solar energy, which has a nearly zero marginal energy cost after installation. This means that Tesla owners don't have to spend a lot of money charging their cars. When it comes to customer care, Tesla has a significant advantage over other EV manufacturers. In terms of customer happiness, Tesla's supercharging network is the best, says a recent J.D. Power survey. Given the intriguing customer service features that an automaker like Tesla was able to provide for its supercharging customers at the time of the Supercharger's launch, it's not shocking. Tesla stated that the 6 superchargers that were initially put in place in California were only the beginning, and that the following year, the firm planned to build superchargers in heavily traveled areas of the country, which is exactly what it accomplished. Up until recently, it was thought that these superchargers were primarily for Tesla EVs. However, there may be cause for concern in light of earlier remarks made by well-known YouTuber Sawyer Merritt. In the image that Sawyer shared, she unveiled a new feature on the Tesla app that introduces Supercharger membership for non-owners of Tesla vehicles. For this, Tesla offers 2 plans: a pay-per-usage plan that lets customers access the Supercharger network anytime, and a membership subscription that costs 99 cents per month in the US, plus a discounted rate per kilowatt-hour for members. But Tesla swiftly withdrew the function from the app shortly after Sawyer Merritt posted it, leaving most individual visuals unclear as to whether or not the EV manufacturer would expand the number of people able to access its superchargers. For his company, Tesla intends to expand the network and produce more income in this preliminary phase in order to entice early adopters to purchase cars from the company. Tesla briefly provided its customers with unlimited free charging options. However, the automaker discontinued this feature in 2017 and only reinstated it for sales of Model S and X vehicles after it was ultimately discontinued due to the pandemic. Do you think investing in Tesla is the right move in 2023? Let us know in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about what Tesla has been up to lately, click on the next video on your screen. Although the option is available for Tesla Superchargers, it came about as a result of an unexpected challenge. It has been a lucrative way to generate revenue for the company, and it will generate even more if Tesla extends its services to non-Tesla users.